Hey, what's up, guys? How are you all doing and your families? I hope you're all good. This track is entitled Some More. So it's deep house funk. Guys, made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Hope you like it, guys. you like it, hit me up right here. Check out Linktree/TommyTappah for more from me. Quick breakdown, guys, how I made this track. Had some support from my daughter Renee on this one. So yeah, guys, hope you like it. This is the kick drum, the piano, got a top, percussion, I duplicated it with some delays on it as well, a little bit of delay. Give it some life. Put them through high pass filters, low pass filters. More percussion. Claps. And the clap put through low high pass. Got two different types of claps together. To bring it up a little bit. Organ. Some more vocals. Shakers. Just put a drop. So bass line by itself. With the rest of the track. And the kick. There's a part in here where I have to break down the vocals to give the effect. I had to basically break down the vocal because I didn't have much of the vocal, so I had to work with what I had, and I made it sound like, for example, let me solo the vocals so you can hear them.
9 to 5, 9 to 5, working daily 9 to 5.
See that there? I had to duplicate. I took the part of where it says 9 to 5, and I doubled it, and basically just worked with what I had and arranged it in a way to make it sound like there's more going on, if that makes sense, rather than just having a little piece of the vocal and just letting it become plain. And I've just basically chopped out the vocal and put it in different parts of the track to make it more interesting. But yeah, guys, if you like it, hit me up. Play that little bit again so you can hear it. So ladies, it's for you, yeah? Check out more from me, Linktree/TommyTappah. Tap in for more from this channel right here.